how to add or remove Gboard or Google Keyboard languages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and tap on General, Management. Then we scroll down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Languages, and in here, to add more languages to the keyboard, tap on Add Keyboard, and from here, from the list, tap on a language that you want to use. So go down the list here and select a language, and then select a keyboard type, and then tap on Done. So here we have added a new language to the keyboard. So if I go and open up my keyboard and use Google Keyboard, so Gboard, in here I can select that Gboard language, and that's it. So that is how you can add more languages. To delete the language from the Google Keyboard, simply tap on this edit button, then select a language that you would like to remove, then tap on the delete button at the top, and that will allow you to delete or remove languages from your Google Keyboard. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.